how to sign in and create a WeChat account. So if you want to sign in or create a WeChat account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WeChat application. After opening your WeChat, you may have an option to log in or to sign up. So if you go with sign up, then you'll get this kind of interface. You'll be able to create a new account. So you just need to simply go and enter your name of your new account, and then enter the region or country, and then enter your mobile number, then go and set your password. After setting your password, you need to go with I have read and accept the terms and conditions, and then go with accept and continue. Once you go with accept and continue, it will ask you for a security verification. Just simply go and enter the security verification. Once done with it, you will receive a code to your phone number. Just enter that code and your account will be created. Once your account has been created, you need to enter the phone number and the password, or you can also log in via SMS verification code. So you can tap on it, go with get SMS, which will be on the right side, and it may ask you for a verification or a safety check. So you just need to simply go and proceed. After that, tap on OK. Now an SMS verification has been sent. Enter that verification code that you've received and then tap on login. That's it. You'll be logged into your account. That's how you can sign in and create a WeChat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.